Okay, now we're going to take some shots at 100 yards from my AR15. See how that shoots. Darky glasses, hearing protection. Okay, got two new magazines, one Magpul and one Promag that I've got 10 rounds in each. We're going to try those out, see how they run. Okay, safety's on. See how we do. Go for the bottom target. Go for the top target. Okay, that was 10 rounds. Let's see how we shot. Like we're shooting a little bit high. Make a quick adjustment. I'm going to bring those shots down about 3 inches. All right. Okay, drop this mag. Try out the Promag now. See how we did. There we go, that's what I was looking for. All on the plate. Not too bad.